It is 7:50. You have the iPhones, the iPads, and of course all kinds of high-tech computers. There's so many consumer products out there changing the way we live all of our lives, but they're also changing the way kids learn. That was the topic of the STEMtech conference that was held last week, and our technology expert Hap Aziz was actually there. He joins us live to talk about it. Hap, it's called STEMtech. What exactly is this conference you attended last week?
Well, STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math, and it was a conference for educators that are looking to incorporate technology into the teaching of those subject areas.
Okay, we all know that society is changing. The way we all learn is changing. How are they trying to incorporate these new technologies into the education system?
The idea is to use the consumer-oriented technologies that students like and to bring them into the classroom so that students can use something that they actually enjoy using. All of the transformational educational technologies seem to come from the computer sector. If you think about the personal computer, obviously smartphones and tablets that they're using now. Even the alphabet was a consumer invention that transformed education.
Which one got your attention the most? Is it using iPads in school? Is it something else?
Well, the iPads in school, the smart devices and tablets, obviously a big deal. A lot of it is also the use of game technologies because it engages students, and the new movement is to try to figure out how to engage the students so they keep wanting to come back to the education process.
And what's funny here is, for years they had, told kids stop playing on your computer, and then come to find out all those kids are now working in the computer industry. So it's almost like we need to get kids more engaged here.
Well, yes, kids learn no matter what they're doing. The question is if they're interested in the particular subject matter area. If learning is all about reading and writing, when there are more engaging ways to get the material, kids tend to go to those more engaging ways.
What about 3D printing? Did they talk much about that up there?
3D printing, they talked about 3D printing, robotics. 3D printing is great because it basically puts layer upon layer of a substance together, and so I've seen it literally create gears and things that you cannot build through normal manufacturing process.
That's just not science fiction either. I mean, somebody says they want an apple, you hit print and it prints you an apple.
That's correct.
That'd be big for kids down the road.
Right. It's sort of like the Star Trek devices where they replicate whatever you ask for.
Wow, talk about changing education. Something like that can do it. Hap Aziz, thanks so much. Good to see you once again. Appreciate your time. All right, Amy, send it back.